There you go. Show her. She's funnier than I am.
I'd rather be at home.
With Greg.
No.
That's what it says, Greg.
How'd you get that tattoo?
Huh?
How'd you get that tattoo?
There's members. Wrong tattoo.
That one here.
What's this one?
And then you got one right here too.
Huh? Where?
Right there.
Yeah, that used to be a heart and an arrow.
Used to be?
Used to be.
Used to be.
The heart faded away. Now it's just one.
Rehab.
There's a heart and arrow.
Really?
Yes.
I think Lindsay farted. What did I do?
Lindsay didn't fart.
I didn't fart.
I think Katie did.
Whoever smelt it, dealt it.
Whoever did the rhyme did the crime.
Whoever denied it supplied it. That's right here.
I never denied it.
Are you like videotaping? No.
Yes. He is.
She?
Yes. She is. Lauren Baz.
That's me.
Okay, I'm being called.
Here, you're being called.
Steve, do something funny. That's not me. That's Katie.
Oh.
No camera! Can you?
This probably gets my pants.
Thanks. It was in your shirt fucking weird. I go wash the hands for you.
Hey, wait a minute. Here, let me give me that bottle.
Why?
I can kick your ass, Springwater. You can. Yes, I can. I am Midnight. Now they're growing. Bud Light kicks Water's ass.
That's an expensive camera. That's an expensive camera.
I was just turning. Stop.
There's an expensive laptop in there.
Well, get it out of there because I'm going to keep trying to throw it every time you point that thing at me. Here. That's yours, right?
Yes.
Here.
That
Let me answer it.
It's a text message.
Stop. You
It's
guys
no good,
suck.
right? The song,
I love this song.
right? It's called No Good, right?
Yeah, I'm no good.
Oh, okay. Maybe
We need some big speakers.
Yeah, we do. Lindsay, get your speak. That's Mom.
You put that somewhere else.